There we go, folks. So it is time for the draw on this Dekton Iron padlock, which I picked out of a packet a short while ago. £3.50 from a garage. Bought it because I was stood in the queue too long. Quite a fun pick actually. So yeah, just I think it's video 304 possibly. Anyway, go and check that out if you want to see it picked. You will of course also get a sticker, and courtesy of a Fighting Lock picker, some of his stickers, and his latest poker chip as well. Now, the names I've got: August Anarchy, Roy Summons, The Lock Guy, Matt Jackson, Dean Thornton, Wild Billiam, The Welsh Lock Picker, 1976 UFC, Tommy 23, Mark Carter Up North, Lockpicking Llama, Crow Llama, and Cheese Grits, and you can say that word, you can read it, I'll leave that to you. So 12 entries. On that note, I'm now going to go over there, and I've got a duck race ready, so bear with me. I'll see you there in a second. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we have a duck race already lined up. We have 12 races, you're all in, and it's set for 40 seconds. If you want to pause this video right now and have a little friendly bet around the table, I don't know, some peanuts or whatever, then please feel free to do so. Anyway, we're now going to begin. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for all of you for taking part in the fun. And here we go. Good luck. And we're off. I do love duck races. We don't see them so much anymore. Who's winning? Llama's in the lead in a minute, closely followed by Mark Carter Up North. But it can all change at the last minute. Trust me on this. You see, Dean Thornton's coming up for a chase. Oh, it's Llama and Dean. But who's this on the bottom row? August is having the push. And along comes Cheese Grits. Who's it going to be? August Anarchy. Congratulations, August Anarchy. Can't touch from me, brother. And I will get that in the post over to you up in Bonnie, Scotland. Thanks ever so much to everyone for taking part. And I will see you all next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.